Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to write the square root symbol in Microsoft Word using a shortcut key. To write the square root symbol in Word, first, place your cursor where you want to insert the square root symbol. Now, press Alt plus the plus button on your keyboard. This shortcut activates the equation editor in Word. Then, you may select the square root from the ribbon above. Or, you may also type /sqrt and then press space or enter. This will automatically convert sqrt into the square root symbol. You can now continue typing the number or expression you want to take the square root of. Using this shortcut makes it quick and easy to insert mathematical symbols like the square root into your document. And that's it! You've learned how to write the square root symbol in Microsoft Word using a simple shortcut key. If you found this tip helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for Tech Tricks tutorials for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!